Con cuidado, Lázaro. Yeah. Don't feel. Yeah, good. Okay. Now, the most important thing is this one to be straight, because if it's lean, it will fall easier. Yeah. So straight, and you leave it 1, 2 seconds to put the feet out. So now between both of you, one
Look
facing
this way,
each other.
this way. When you step up, keep your head looking here, this way. There you go. There you go, yep.
You hold it.
That's it, yeah.
Again, no passing. Good, hold it there, hold it.
Yep, and so you should be able to,
Turn it around.
jump, stop,
Turn it around.
and then you come down. Alright? You don't want to clench. Nice and relaxed. Keep your hands. Right? Nice control, and then we go again. Make sense? So we're going to stop, then go again. So use your core more, use your use your core more, control it. Smaller. So we need, what's happening at the moment, you're like this, he's like, so your knees like that, you need to be like that, like that. Make sense? Yeah, so you can keep your hands, okay? So if you keep your core, rather than like that, yeah. Just use your core a bit more. Core. There you go. So your shoulders like that, maybe like, and here, tighten your core. Smaller. Yeah, nice. Smaller. Yeah, nice.
Distance is very important. You feel all the pain and try to reduce your stroke by inches when you go. Okay, only 2.5 kilos.
Yes.
Forward firmly and then
You know the method.
try to reduce by which method? More distance, a little bit more distance. Stop. Right, perfect. Stop. Okay. Sorry. Lift the pressure.
So the gentleman's just asked really
Because there is a calibration.
do you really use the simulator? So if I've got a question right, do you use the simulator for competition trials? Again, the answer is no. And the reason why the answer is no is because alluded to the fact that trials
It's good, so you can Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay.
And stop, good. Yeah, you can stop there.
And the specific volume needs to be tailored, and there's a new word there, to the individual's level and ability where they start from. You're not just going to go out and do 8 1-rep max pull-ups. You're going to start with where people start from. And I think for a public health recommendation, that tailoring is really important. And that's where we need your skills working with patients and individuals to be able to make this message work for people. Okay?
Between 2016 and 2017, our businesses in this region grew 54% in those 2 years, which is faster than any other region in the world for us. So EMEA globally is this, it's like this volcano rising up with fitness. And you can see with some of the global brands coming in, a lot of them from North America coming in and growing here. Barry's has been here for a while, but Orange Theory Fitness, I'm not sure if a lot of you are familiar with them, but they've got a few pilot locations that they've started in the UK, and they have plans to grow to 110 locations in the UK over the next 10 years. SoulCycle's coming this year as well. So there's a lot of sort of energy and focus around fitness in the UK, both on the operators that are here globally growing and then sort of the global players. What we're noticing too in the UK is that consumers really
Learn from people who are further ahead than you are. So that's how I doubled my income in 2 weeks, because I found people who could teach me this one simple concept, person, problem, solution. So literally I just shared that with everybody I knew, and I managed to double my income. Would anyone else like to do that? Yes? Then great. Share person, problem, solution with everyone you know, and you will get a difference. I then tripled my income in 6 weeks, and at the end of the year I'd gone from earning about 20,000 a year to I'd increased my business by 650%, and I won a business award. Okay? That is a puffed out chest and crazy smile of a practitioner who can't fucking believe I'm winning a business award. Okay? Because I realised a mentor is a map. They just tell you where to go. That's it. They tell you the dangers. They help you prevent making the same mistakes they made. And I went, oh, that's all I've got to do. Every year of my life now. You go get a mentor. If I want to improve it, find someone who can be there before me and create a result. So these are some of the mentors I've had over the last 4 years. Okay? And this is what I've invested over the last 4 years. Now I did not have 100,000 lying around. I had a debt that was that size. Some of these people you may recognize, Tony Robbins, Napoleon Hill. That is not Jerry Springer, it's Carl Buchheit, who's a leading NLP practitioner over in San Francisco. But these are great people who I've spent money with.